you've written this fantastic blog article that AI that can improve itself. Will be great if you can talk about that. I mean, how close or far are we from a system that can self-learn and improve itself?
For like a truly building a general intelligence, we need the AI, like I mentioned previously, not only to learn only from our data, right, from our static experience, but it will be very powerful if we can let this AI continuously improve and also refine itself, right? So with the recent works, for example, with the Darwin Godel machine, right? I think by Sakana AI and also some other group for UBC, right? And they really showed that this kind of models, for example, if we combine the powers of not only like the agent itself, but we augment that, we give them the freedom to, for example, improve itself by augmenting new tools. It can, for example, tune its like hyperparameters. Then this AI can really perform great uh, on like this kind of hard benchmarks that previously when we just let it train by ourselves, it's very static, right? And I think this also like how I think the human evolution works, because if you imagine this, like our nature, our universe, right? We've come a long way, for example, to this form that, for example, now me and you are sitting in this kind of like podcast, right? We have this kind of abilities, we have this kind of thought process, we have this kind of knowledge, even our like our physical properties have been like enhanced to because of this kind of evolution. And I think it will be interesting if we let these AI models not only train for a while, but it will be interesting for us to see like what if we let this kind of like agents or even the word models to continuously simulate the world for a very long period. It will be interesting to see, for example, if you let an AI agent and live inside the world of Genie for example, like months or years. Like, what can it discover, right? Because we already seen this with Voyager, for example, for like NVIDIA. You let an agent play Minecraft and it can like already learn the mechanism of Minecraft. It can learn to survive. It can learn to craft things, be creative. So I think the next wave of AI should not only be like only intelligent, but also like creative, because a lot of like our thought process, our problem solving skills from humans are open ended. They are like learn from experience continuously, and we try to improve ourselves, right? For example, if we are stuck working on a problem, then we try to augment ourselves with new knowledge, new tools, right? And I think this is the way that we should train our AI like forward, because we need this AI to continuously refine itself. And we've seen those like success stories recently. So I think we're not that far to a future where like open-endedness will be like a key ingredient in enabling more intelligent systems and hopefully bring us closer to like AGI.
Thank you for watching the clip till the end. If you learned something new or you enjoyed the podcast, then please do not forget to subscribe, as it helps us bring great content for you. Thank you once again. Catch you guys next time.